Hey, it's Mustang Stampede. Just got done washing up the C8. It's kind of dirty. Went through a rainstorm on Saturday. Then tonight, coming home from volleyball, a car in front of us blew up. I don't know if they blew a head gasket or a cylinder or what they did, but it was spewing oil or antifreeze out the back of the vehicle quite profusely for probably 3/4 of a mile or so. So it sprayed onto the C8, so I got the C8 cleaned up. But that's not really why I made this video. This is going to be an update video for my DIY radiator guardrails that I purchased the screening from Amazon and then used some edge molding type material that I also put in the video. And I went with a slightly smaller hole size. I have zero issues overheating. There's been several times this summer, 95 degrees, crazy humidity, running the car in Z mode, nowhere near getting to the point of overheating. Now tonight, while I was washing the car, I noticed something. So I thought it'd be a great time to make a video. Yep, that's a rock right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I'm surprised I didn't see it while I was cleaning. But that's the rock that was in my grill guard. Okay. I do not see any other items on this side. Let me check the other side a little more closely. And I don't see anything over there. Now, let me find something to compare this rock to real quick. I believe there's a oh, here we go. I actually have a foam earplug in my pocket. There is what that rock looks like. Okay. So, it's not small, but it's not massive. Okay. But what it didn't do is dent the shit out of my radiator. So, you know, I'm a bigger guy. It's probably about the size of my pinky. So, excellent. I have the video for those grill guards on YouTube, and I'll make a link. Don't be scared to do this on your own, right? Nice look at the 5VM ACS Composites front splitter. Oh yeah. Alright, as always, thanks for watching.